Check that. Well, perhaps you could get back to him. Well, everything looks wonderful. That
1401. Hit that door.
Nasty of done. We'll lose our jobs for sure.
In order to keep you safe, I have been programmed to recognize all forms of suspicious human behaviors, including sex, ladies.
All passengers, please prepare for immediate boarding.
Contact departure on frequency 429.
Wait! R2-D2, I am not programmed to fly these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble. I knew it!
Oh,
Don't shoot!
prepare to be boarded, Captain.
I'm afraid there's been a terrible mistake. I am
We know
C-3PO.
you have this rebel spy on board.
I've never seen that human before. Oh dear. Gotta go!
Don't underestimate my power.
No!
I want that spy.
Someone could get... Lights me, Doctor! No! Thruster malfunction. Thrusters? Are they important?
Star Tours, this is a restricted area. What are you doing here?
I have no idea.
Stay clear of the combat zone.
Combat zone? Oh, no! We've been hit! Brace yourself! Nobody move! I mean everybody move! Lean back! No! Do not leave! Oh, to do something! A transmission.
This is Admiral Akbar. By now you know that your Starspeeder is carrying an agent vital to our rebel cause.
The spy?
Precisely. Deliver them safely to the rendezvous point. I am transmitting to your R2 unit. Good luck, and may the Force be with you.
What are you saying? This is madness! I don't like the look of this. Yes, I do believe these are Purple. Purple are the legendary space whales. Quite extraordinary. And so serene. Oh no!
Star Tours, it's 2 against 1 here. Could use some help.
Oh, when it ever ends!
Nicely done, Star Tours. Appreciate the help.
R2-D2, don't you dare!
Safe travels. Good to see you again, R2.
ST-1401, welcome back.
We will be landing shortly. I do hope you have enjoyed your flight. Look out! Thank the Maker.
Hey, that's my ship.
On behalf of Star Tours, thank you for joining us.
You've got a lot of explaining to do.
No more adventures, R2.
Please remain seated until the captain has opened the exit doors. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Bye-bye.